नमस्ते बच्चों, I am your Hindi teacher. Today I am going to revise A to AHA. Now children, if you open your Hindi board book, if you open your Hindi notebook, you will always find broad line. So sharpen your pencils, write neatly children. Draw one closed curve, another closed curve. Draw sleeping line in between these two closed curves. Draw one standing line, close. Draw two standing line for Very good. E. Draw one small standing line. Draw small letter S. Draw small letter O. Come down, close. E. Now E. How to write E? Copy this E. Now keep a dot on top of the standing line above the broad line. Go up, draw a standing line till this and move to your right. This is your right. E. Now I am going to write U. Draw one closed curve. Another closed curve, close. Oo. Draw one closed curve, another closed curve, go up till this sleeping line. Keep your pencil in between these two curves. Draw one sleeping line, come down, close with a sleeping line. Oo. Oo say oon. Now I am going to write Re. Draw one standing line. Keep your pencil little away from the standing line. Draw a slanting line. Come out slantingly. Now keep your pencil at this dot. Draw a small sleeping line. Draw small letter print E and one small open curve. Close with a sleeping line. Re. Re say Rishi. Now children, I am going to write A. Draw one standing line and move crossly towards your right. This is your right. Move crossly towards your right. Draw another standing line. Close. A. A say AD. Now I. Draw one standing line. Move slantingly to your right. This is your right. Right. And draw another standing line. Close. Now keep a dot in between these two standing lines on the top of this broad line. From the dot, come down to touch the second standing line. This is I. Now O. Draw one closed curve. Another closed curve. Draw a sleeping line in between these two curves. Draw one standing line. Another standing line. Close with sleeping line. Now keep a dot in between these two standing lines on top of the broad line. Now from the dot come down to touch the second standing line. O. Oakley. Now O. Draw one closed curve. Another closed curve. Draw a sleeping line. Draw two standing lines. Close and keep a dot in between these two standing lines and one more dot on top of this dot. Now from this dot come down to touch the second standing line and from this dot come down to touch the same standing line. This is Au say Aurat. Now Draw one closed curve, another closed curve. Draw a sleeping line. Draw one standing line. Close the standing line and keep a dot on top of the standing line. Aha. Draw one closed curve, another closed curve. Draw a sleeping line. Draw one standing line. Now keep dots near the sleeping line and another dot at the end of this standing line. Close this standing line with a sleeping line. This is aha. Now children, look at the board. I am going to revise for you. A, I, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, aha. Children, say anar, say aam, say imli, say eek, say ullu, say oon, say rishi, say ad, I say ainat, O say okli, Au say aurat, Ang say angur, aha say aha, aha. Now children, open your Hindi notebook, sharpen your pencils, write